All right, so we just figured out that robot coding to make it drive down the full distance we wanted to 8 feet. We found this number here as 19,748. Got us to go down the track nicely. But now at the real garage door, once you close the door, you got to open it. So how are we going to code this to make it come back and park? Well, I could do a new program, have the motor spin backwards, right, to drive back. That would work. Or what if I had the program use this number for driving 19,748 axle revolutions down? Why not come back the same 19,748 revolutions back? Let's do that. So I want to have my door drive down and then wait for the next button press. So the code would be what? What comes next? I hit the button, it waits, the motors begin, they run until the count is hit, both motors power off. What comes next? I want one more button click, right? So I want it until bump. And I want to have my buttons called go. I want to have some time to get out of the way, so I'm going until bump, go 500, semicolon. And then it says I want to start this motor and start that motor, right? So I'm going to copy those codes, paste those codes, but I want to come back. Forward is positive, backwards would be negative. Back up the train, okay? Back it up. I'm going to have the same code here again, wait until, and stop, copy those, paste those. And I want to have the sensor value not be greater than this. I want it to have to be less than, not this, to go all the way back. I have to go back 19,748 revolutions. So once we hit that 0, stop. Turn both motors off. This could be it, okay? So click the switch, motors run, drives, parks, waits. Click the switch, motors run, drive, stop, park, wait. That could be it. Let's give it a try. Where's my orange cord? Orange cord is over here. Plug it back in the robot. Put the robot on. Download this to the robot. And then let's give it a look. Can I change to a bigger or not? Hold on. It's fine. Ah, look at that. Not as good of a video, but hey, that's fine. So download the robot, unplug the power off, power on. So it should drive down and park somewhere right about here. Let's find out. Yeah, the robot's turning pretty bad. I gotta fix that. Might be a steering issue. Door's closed. Now I'll go back. It might work. It's closer. Aha. So the program seemed to work. Let's go back to multi-view. Okay. Seemed to work. So here it is. The problem now is the program's done and over. I have to start it again. How often you guys have to go to your garage door and have to change or unplug, replug, power off, power on your garage door to to have it run again and again and again? My guess is you probably don't, do you? Right? It's probably you just plug it in once and let it run and let it do its thing. That's my guess. You fix this. It's this one is the wrong one. So I'm speeding up one motor, slowing one down. It's because the, I think like you were riding in a cart, that a wheel on the left, wheel on the right, and you spun one wheel faster than the other one, you might curve, right? My car drives crooked, so I'm hoping this is gonna work. So now, do you have to have your power cord unplugged, replugged every time? That guy over there, unplug it, replug it? No. So what could we do? Make this program run over and over and over again. What's the name of that little code we use for paper towel machine? Make it run again and again. Remember that one? That has to go here, right? That is called a loop. A loop, you are correct. And we didn't show you in the videos, but up here in the control structures, watch here. We have some task we can run, some variables we can run, use some if statements, there's control structures, and there's natural language ones. Here's that wait until, it's right there. I can repeat it forever, repeat number of times, repeat until. So we can have here repeat forever, run the code again and again and again. I can have it do, we've done this while, makes sense too. Bring the while out, park the while there. And while, what's our condition again? While 1 is equal to 1, okay? And this little body, what that means is, it wants, what's gonna be our loop? If I take all the stuff here, this whole process, I'm gonna go edit cut, in the middle, edit paste. So here's our while loop. Start of loop, end of loop, start of program, end of program. Now to run again and 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 again. Right? Right. Now, let's say the garage door wants to be stopped halfway down because here comes the neighbor's dog. Ooh, ours won't work. Ours runs till it's closed, runs till it's open. How do you stop it? That's coming up next. Good luck.